Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check in Delta Airlines online. You can check in online for Delta Airlines beginning 24 hours before your scheduled departure. So firstly open any of the web browser and in the top this is address bar, type down Delta Airlines and enter it. So from here you need to click onto this Delta Airlines here. And from here once you get inside this home page, what you need to do is you need to click over here, that's a check-in, and under the check-in here, you need to find your trip by your confirmation number, your credit card number, or SkyMiles number. Over here, select any of it feasible for you and type down your confirmation number. And over here, what you need to do is you need to also search for your airport. Simply select your airport and after that, click onto the search. And you confirm your travel details, follow the on-screen instruction, and add check bags if needed. And that is it. And this is how you can check in Delta Airlines online. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.